problem.
Okay. Again, ano po ang 5 elements? Elements of the story, Rasdan? We have first the setting, and then
Settings,
the
um,
character,
characters,
then
problem,
problem,
the problem solved,
okay, the
and then
solution,
ending,
and then the ending.
ending.
Okay. Yes po. Maraming salamat. Now, let's watch po the video related to this one. Wait, allow me to share my screen, Rasdan. Okay, can you see my screen na po?
Yes.
Rasdan? Yes. Okay, please listen, Rasdan.
Yes.
Can you hear?
No.
Okay, wait.
Good day, kids.
How about this one? Can you hear now?
Yeah.
Okay,
A
let's
blessed day to each one of you. Welcome to another day of learning adventure in English. Our today's lesson is about sequencing of events and making relevant predictions. In this lesson, you are expected to identify the basic sequence of events and make relevant predictions on the given pictures or stories.
I can't hear you.
Sorry.
Teacher,
Okay.
I can't hear you.
Okay, I'm so sorry. Okay, can you hear me now?
Yeah.
Okay. So in this lesson, Rasdan, you were expected to learn po how to identify the basic sequence of events and to make relevant predictions on the given pictures and stories.
One way of determining the reader's understanding of a given picture or story is by asking him or her to sequence the events or make predictions. Sequence is the order of events as they happen in the story. It is putting things in order from first to last.
Okay. Again, so we have here sequence. Okay, again, Rasdan, what is sequence?
Sequence.
Okay. Do you know what is sequence? Okay, Rasdan, listen first.
Yeah.
When we say sequence, it is the order or the events of the story. Okay, wait a minute.
What?
Okay. Okay, let's continue. Again, when we say sequence po, it is the order of events as they happened in the story. Again, pag sinabi nating sequence, okay, don't write anything to the board, Rastan, please. Okay po, pag sinabi po nating sequence, ito po ay order. Order po ng events as they happened in the story. Kung ano po ang order or ano po ang nangyari, okay, ano po ang nangyari sa isang story. So, bale, meron siyang sequence or meron po siyang order. Now, it is putting the things in order from the first. Saan magsisimula, Rasdan? Magsisimula po sa... Ang order, Rasdan, magsisimula po sa... Rasdan?
Yeah.
Okay. Again ha, magsisimula po ang order from the first to the what? To the... Okay, first to
First to
last. Okay. Yes. First to last because okay. Again, ang sequence Rasdan, ito po ay order of events. Order of events meaning order ng pangyayari na happened or nangyari po sa story. Now, in putting things in order, it should start from the first one Rasdan, from the first thing na nangyari sa story and then to the last thing na nangyari po sa story. Because every situation or story has its beginning and ending. So again, dahil every situation po sa story, Resdan, every situation or every story po, meron po siyang beginning and ending. Okay? Okay, Resdan? Okay, are you still with me?
Yes.
Are you still with teacher?
Yes.
Okay, so let's continue.
Because every situation or story has its beginning and ending. We can arrange the events using the keywords first, next, then, and finally or last. We can also use numbers or letters to arrange them.
Okay, so it says here, Rasdan, na pwede po nating ma-arrange ang events. Okay, when we are going to arrange the events, Rasdan, we are going to use keywords. Okay, ano po ang mga keywords na ating gagamitin, Rasdan? We are going to use, okay, first, next, then, finally, or last. Okay, again, Rasdan, what are the keywords po na ating gagamitin to
First, left,
arrange events? Okay,
then,
first.
and final or last.
Okay, very good. Now, pwede din po, aside po sa keywords, Rasdan, pwede din po tayo mag-use or also we can use numbers or letters to arrange them. Again, ano pa ang pwede nating gamitin sa pag-arrange ng events, Rasdan? Numbers and or
Four,
or
then,
letters. Again, ha? We can arrange pag mag-a-arrange po tayo ng events, we are going to use the keywords. Ano ang mga keywords? We have the
or letter.
first,
First, next, then, and finally or last.
okay. And aside from the keywords na first, next, then, finally, or last, pwede rin po tayong gumamit ng what? We can also use this one, or that. Can you see this one? We can also use, aside from keywords, ano pa po ang pwede natin gamitin? We have here numbers or what? Or aside, again, aside po sa keywords na first, next, then, finally, or last, pwede rin po tayong gumamit ng numbers and letters. Okay, again, what else can we use aside from keywords, Rasdan? We can also use
Number or letter.
okay, numbers or letters. Okay, let's continue po listening.
Okay, class,
Sorry for
who
the
would like
ad.
to do problem 3 on the board?
The life cycle of a butterfly is an example of the proper sequence of events. First, the adult butterfly lays eggs. Next, the eggs hatch and turns into a caterpillar. Then, the caterpillar forms into a pupa. Lastly or finally, the pupa becomes a butterfly.
Okay. So, this one, Rasdan, is an example of sequence. Okay, look at the example. So, ang example po ay butterfly life cycle. So, ang butterfly life cycle, Rasdan, is an example of sequence. Now, what happened first? So, first,
It's an egg.
the adult butterfly,
And
Rasdan,
the adult butterfly.
lay
First,
egg.
it's an egg. Then hatches into a caterpillar.
Mm-hmm. And then what happens to the caterpillar? It forms into what's done? To this one. Can you read this one? Pupa. Yes, pupa. And then
Or finally,
And
the
then-
pupa
and then
And then the butterfly, adult butterfly.
Okay, and then it becomes butterfly. So, can you see? Can you see the picture first? Can you
Yeah.
see the picture was done? Okay, can you um observe na ang pinakauna po or this one, the first sentence, nagamit siya ng word na first. Okay, first, okay, again, let's read. First, the adult butterfly lay eggs. Okay, after that, after ng first is nagamit siya ng keyword na next. Hey, can you see it? Done? Done? Okay, can you see na next ng first na word or ng sentence po ay may next na keywords. Okay, next daw is the egg hatch and turns into caterpillar. Okay, now what happened to the caterpillar? Okay, look at the keywords here. It says then. Then, ang caterpillar po ay naging what? Anong nangyari sa caterpillar, Rasdan? It forms to a sign. Are you still with me? Okay, where are you, Rasdan? Rasdan, where are you?
Here.
Are you still here? I can see you. Okay, so my question po is, ano pong nangyari sa caterpillar after? It forms into a what? Into a pupa. Okay, can you say pupa?
Can I drink water?
And lastly, yes.
Can I drink water?
Okay, go, Rasdan. Make it fast, okay?
Okay.
Mandi na lang ka mag-take-arpan to kasi 15 niya tayo tayo sa mag-PLA.
You tricky rascal.
Then mape yung 20-30 Filipino.
Okay, are you now?
Yeah.
Are you done? Okay. So again, look at the picture. Now, what can you see? So again the sequence po, nag-start po siya sa first. Anong first na nangyari sa adult butterfly? Nag-lay siya ng eggs. And then after that, the next
Caterpillar.
one, yes, next ang eggs Rasdan ay na-hatch and it turns into a caterpillar. Yes, and then ang
Then-
caterpillar
Palpus.
forms into a pupa.
Pulpa.
Okay, naging
Pupa.
pupa siya. And lastly or finally, ang pupa ay
Nag-butterfly.
naging butterfly. So as you can see, Rasdan, ang sequence sa ang butterfly life cycle is one of the example of sequence. Okay. Let's continue watching Rasdan.
Becomes a butterfly. Knowing the correct sequence will also help you predict what will likely happen next.
Okay, says here Rasdan na if you know the correct sequence po, it can help you to predict what will happen next. So the sequence is also very important. I mean the correct sequence. The correct sequence is very important for us or especially for you to predict what will happen next. Continue.
To predict means to tell or guess what will happen next in the story.
Okay. So it says here that to predict means, okay, alam mo ba ano ang predict, Rasdan? Do you know what is predict po? Rasdan? Rasdan, eyes on me. Okay, predict means, okay, please listen, okay? So the predict or to predict, it means, Rasdan, to tell you or to guess what will happen next in the story. You are going to predict the story. Okay, continue.
Guesses can be made through looking for clues in the story or understanding the events through pictures.
Okay, so ang guesses, Rasdan, or our guesses can made through number one or first is for looking for clues in the story. Hahanapin po natin yung clues. Okay, do you know what is clues?
Yeah.
Okay, hahanapin po natin yung clues sa story or we are going to
I'm fixing this.
listen first, Rasdan. Okay, after the looking for clues in the story or we are going to understand the events through picture or maiintindihan po natin ang events gamit ang mga pictures. Okay, again, Rasdan, ang guesses po can be made through first ang paghahanap po or looking clues in the story and or ang pag-iintindi or understanding the events through the pictures. Okay, Rasdan, let's continue po.
Let's all read the story aloud. The Farmer and the Seed by Amsi M. Esteban. The farmer plants a seed. First a seed, then a sprout, and the leaves. Last, the buds come out slowly. They grow bigger and bloom with fragrance.
Okay, Rasdan, let us read po the
Yeah.
story. Okay,
They
let's
grow
read the
bigger and bloom with fragrance.
Okay, Rasdan, let's read the story. So this is another example po of sequence. Okay, let's read, Rasdan. What is the title of the story? This is what is the title of the story?
And the seeds by
Okay, the MC M Esteban. Okay, again, the title, Rasdan, is The Farmer
the
and the
farmer and the seeds by
okay. MC M Esteban. Okay, now let's proceed na po sa story. Okay, first, the farmer. Rasdan, the farmer. Dan, are you still with me?
Yeah.
Okay, let's read na po the story. The farmer plants. Rasdan. Okay, let's read the story po. Okay, let's read the story so we
The
can know the
farmer
sequence.
plants and a seed. First step, a seed. I mean, the sprout
Sprout. Yes, sprout.
and the leaves. And what is this? And
Buds. Buds.
the bud comes out slowly. They go big and bloom.
With
For
fragrance. Can you say fragrance? Okay, sige. Thank you. Now, let's see what is the sequence of the story. Now, can you tell me what is the first event na na-happen or na nangyari sa story, Rastan? First, Okay, what happened first, Rasdan? Okay, can you read first?
The farmer plants a seed.
Okay, a
First,
farmer
a
plants a
seed.
seed, and then first a seed, and then after
A sprout.
sprout, and
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 then
the
the leaves.
and
That but up out slowly. They grow big
bigger
and bloom.
with
Bloom.
red. Okay, so look at the example, Rasdan. So this is called the sequence or sequencing events with the title of the farmer and the seed. Okay, now, Rasdan, let's continue.
But why do animals and insects go near them? Butterflies and bees come to enjoy the smell. Animals, insects, and the wind help spread their new seeds to the new garden, where the other seeds are planted again. Did you understand this story, kids? If so, let's now answer our learning task number 1.
Okay, Rasdan, let's answer the learning task 1. Okay, please listen, Rasdan. Are you still with me?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's try to answer the learning task 1. Okay,
Let's
please
recall how the farmer plants the seed. Look at the illustrations and show the correct sequence of events. Write 1, 2, and 3 inside each box. The life cycle of a plant. Which sequence should come first? It turns into a plant. The seed falls into the soil. It becomes a sprout.
There's someone bee.
The soil. It
With bee?
becomes a sprout.
Angus bee.
Yeah, bagus sih.
Tati. Ako. Teacher, I can't hear you. Ako
sorry. Okay, and the last one is where's the number 3? Okay, can you please read Rasdan the number 1? The first sequence.
The seed falls into the soil. It becomes
Okay.
a sprout.
And
It
then,
turns into a plant.
okay, good job. Now let's continue.
Yes, that's correct.
Correct.
Which sentence should be number 2? Very
Very
good.
good.
That's right. And number 3 is it turns into a plant. Good job, kids.
Good job, Rasdan.
This time, select
Teacher,
the
can I get a
appropriate
charger? I'm 5%.
Okay, go.
Careful. Careful.
Okay, you're back. Sige. Now let's continue to the second task. Okay, you have got
Questions from
to
the given choices in the dialogue box. What will the farmer do with the flowers?
The farmer will blank. A. Bring and sell it to the marketplace. B. Burn the flowers.
wait lang.
Bring and sell it to the marketplace. B. Burn the flowers.
Okay, so what is the answer for here, Rasdan? What will the farmer do with the flowers? What is your answer? Can you write your answer? Okay, can you read your answer, please?
The farmer will. I don't know how to read this time.
Bring
Will and sell it to the marketplace.
Okay, so let's see if your answer is correct.
Correct. Letter
Correct.
A.
Okay.
Next, what will the farmer do after harvesting the flowers? He might blank. A. Plant new seeds again. B. Sell his farm.
Okay. What will the farmer do, Rastan, after harvesting the flowers? Is it letter A, plant new seeds again, or sell his farm? Okay, let's see if your answer is correct.
The most appropriate answer is great. That's correct.
Correct.
He will plant new seeds again. Bravo, kids! We're down to learning task number 2. Jana wants to prepare calamansi juice for her grandmother who has a cold. Can you help her prepare the juice by rearranging its steps? Write letters A to E inside the circle.
Okay. Again, Rastan, you are going to help Jana to prepare calamansi juice for her grandmother who has a cold. Now, can you help her prepare the juice by rearranging the steps? You are going to write letters A to E inside the circle. Okay, let's do. You know.
Big dreams start small. From getting your domain to creating your website,
Okay, let's go.
How to make calamansi juice by Marietta L. Manayag.
Okay, now can you write letter A B
What's
to
the
Z?
second one? What is
Letters
this?
for again, Rastan,
What is
it's letters, not numbers.
No. No.
How do you know how to make calamansi juice? You're
Yeah.
going.
Can you read the next one for me, please?
Okay, so the first sentence here is pour water in the glass, clean and wash. The next, clean and wash
Don't
calamansi,
touch your mouth.
then cut into halves. Then serve the calamansi juice. Squeeze and strain the calamansi in a glass and remove pulp and seed. Add sugar, then stir carefully until sugar dissolves.
May puso nga.
Okay. What is this one?
Okay, squeeze and strain the calamansi in a glass and remove pulp and seeds.
Ay, ano ba gina? Hindi, schedule study, no?
That for you.
Nagpunta kay Patmut. Ay, ano ka memorize?
Wait.
Pagmutungan kami kay Patmut. Are you done?
Wait. Ah.
Okay, was done. Okay, was done. We are going to check your answer tomorrow because we don't have enough time today. Okay, thank you, Rastan. See you tomorrow again.
See you tomorrow.
Good, thank you.
Bye-bye.